Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 4 quadratic equations, exercise 4.3, question 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So first of all, let us see the rectangular field. Okay, so this is the rectangular field. Okay, so in that we know this is shorter side, this is longer side. Okay, so what is said, diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So this is shorter side more than the shorter side. That means how much is the shorter side, we don't know. So we'll take shorter side as x. Okay, so let's draw the diagonal also. This is called diagonal, and we know in rectangular there is all the angles are 90 degree. Okay, so the diagonal of the rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So we don't know what is the shorter side, so we keep it as a x. Okay, so diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So 60 meters more than the shorter side means whatever is shorter side, in that 60 more. So that is diagonal. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So we know this is the longer side. So longer side is what? 30 meters more than the shorter side. Find the sides of the field. So we have to find out the sides of the field. So this side also we have to find out. This side we have to find out. This side we have to find out. So we have to find the sides of the field. So let's begin. So let the shorter side keep it as x. So then longer side is what? Longer side is, this is longer side, that is x plus 30. This is in meter. Then diagonal is x plus 60 meters. So we have to find the sides of the all these sides. So now if you see, this is a right angle triangle. So let's name it A, B, C, D. Okay, so now in triangle ABC, okay, in triangle ABC, so whenever we have right angle triangle, directly we can go for Pythagoras theorem. So this is shorter side means this also shorter side. This is x means this side also x. This is x plus 30 means this also x plus 30 longer side. Okay, but now we will take just one side of the right angle triangle. If we know both sides, then it is the same for this also. Okay, so this is a shorter side and this is longer side. So since it is right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem says? Sum of two sides, square of sum of the two sides will be equal to the square of the third side, that is hypotenuse. Okay, so sum of two sides, so that means square of this side AB plus square of this side, that is BC, together will be equal to the hypotenuse side. This is AC. Okay, so let's put the value for AB. AB is what? X plus 30 whole square. BC is x whole square. AC is x plus 60 whole square. Now if you see, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So it can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So this form we can write down this. So a square, b square, 2ab. So here a square is here. This is a. This is our b. Then 2, a is x, b is 30. Okay, plus now this is as it is. So this also can be written this way. So x square, this will be 60 square, then 2a is x, our b is 60. Okay, so now let's solve. X square, 30 square will give us 900. If you don't know, you can take 3 square, because when 0 is there, it is easy. 3 squares are 9, no? 3 3s are 9. Then square of 0 will be 2 times. So this one, 2 3s are 6, 0 is here, and this x. Then this x square as it is. Then 6 squares are 36, and 0 square 20. Then 2 6 are 12, 0 is here, and this x is here. Okay, otherwise you can directly you multiply and you see. Now both the side we have x square, here also x square. If you bring this x square, this side becomes minus, so we can directly cancel. So now remaining ones we will arrange it. First x square we will write down. Is there any x square? We don't have. Now next x we will write. This is, we have 60x here, and this side we have 120x. Let's bring to this side, becomes minus. Then x term is over. Now number we have here 900. This side we have this. Let us bring this side, becomes minus. So anything is left? Nothing. Equal to 0. Okay, let's solve this. X square, 60x, here minus 120x. Biggest number sign will come, minus. So if you subtract from 120, 60 you subtract, will get 60x. Then here biggest number is this, so minus it will come. So from here you subtract this, we will get 27, then 20, equal to 0. So now we got the proper quadratic equations. Now you can solve this by quadratic formula method or splitting the middle term. Quadratic formula method I have showed you. That is very easy. You can use that also. And splitting the middle term, how to do this I will show you. Okay. So the last term, first term and the last term we have to multiply. Here we have 1 here. So when you multiply, we will get 2700. Now factorization, how to do, will not go for factorization. Just see 27. So 27 is 9 into 3s are 27, no? Okay, 2 zeros are there, so put for 1 0 here, another 0 here. Then here it will come 2 0. Okay, so 90 and 30 we have. So in that, add or subtract this number, either we add or subtract, we should get the middle term. So from 90, if we subtract 3, then we will get 60. So we will take 90 and 30. This minus will keep as it is, x will keep as it is. Instead of 60, we will write 90 minus 30. Okay, now this as it is. Okay. So now x square minus x into 90 will give us 90x, minus into minus will become plus, then 30x minus 2700 equal to 0. Okay, now we have to remove in common. So here we have x square, here we have x. So from here one x, otherwise I'll show you. X square can be written this way. Then 90 into x. This way we can write down. Okay, this part. So from here common, what is common? X is here, x is here also. So we'll take out x here. Then what is left? X minus 90 is left. This step you don't do. This only to show you I am doing it. Okay. So next with this also we have to do like this. We have to remove in common. For that what you have to do? What you have done here, the same thing you write down. What is in bracket. Okay, now what number to put here so that we get this number? Here we have only x, so if we put 30 into x will give us 30x. Plus is there, so we'll put plus. Then minus, plus into minus will become minus. 30 to 90 will give us 2700. Already we have done it here. Okay, so this is correct. Balanced well. So now what both the side bracket is having the same. So what is in the same bracket we'll write down once, and what is left we'll write down here. Okay. So now when x minus 90 is equal to 0 and x plus 30 is equal to 0, because we have to find out the x value, so x equal to 90, here x equal to 30, but minus, because this is in plus, when it comes this side becomes minus. Now minus 30 cannot be, because we have to find what? Find the sides of the field. Can the sides of the field be negative? So negative value is not possible. Okay, this is not possible. So we will take only the positive value. Now what we have to do? We have to find the sides of the field. So shorter side is what? Shorter side is, we have taken x, so that is 90 meter. Then next, what is that? Longer side is x plus 30. So longer side, x plus 30 means 90 plus 30 will give us 120 meter. Okay, so we got shorter side and longer side. What is asked? Find the sides of the field. So sides of the field will be shorter side and longer side. No, we are not supposed to find out the diagonal. Field is rectangular field, so we want the sides of the field. So sides of the field is shorter side and the longer side. So we know shorter side becomes 90 meter and longer side is 120 meter. Hence you can write the answer in words. Okay, so this is our answer. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.